Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to off talkback on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. Just click on the setting and double tap the setting. When you have to scroll now, you just scroll like this with two finger. Okay, then here on the down you can see the additional settings. So click on additional settings and click double. Okay, tap, you have to tap it double like this. Just click on back button one time. No need, click on accessibility. So now here you have to move on this vision, tap double. Okay, then here is the talkback, so click on talkback, tap double. Then here use talkback of this talkback, tap double. Click on stop, then tap double. Okay, so you can off it like that, just tap double. See, the talkback has been set off. Okay, you can off it like that. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.